students. Today we are going to learn how to create a mind map with the use of Android phone. So first of all, in my phone I installed MindDomo application. Then here I open the MindDemo application, and there are three types: create a new map, choose a template, create a new folder. It means if you want to create your own folder, then you can create a new folder. Here I am creating preliminary mind map with category. Okay, in this folder I want to create new map, but here I want to choose a template. So first I click on choose a template option. In this option I choose any template to create a mind map. First of all I create first level of mind map, then after I create second level of mind map, then after I create third level of mind map, and then after I create final mind map. It means merge the whole mind map and I show you one common mind map. So here I choose one template. If you choose anyone, you can choose it. You show these all templates. They all are the templates of creating mind maps. Okay. Here I choose this template. Here I write my main points, main topic from my textbook, page number 29, computers. Okay, from here I write another topic. Using various places. Then after I write other topic. Use in other devices. Then after my third point topic, hardware. Then after here I write use for various purpose. Okay, these three topics I write. This is my preliminary mind map with categorize. Okay, now I show you second level of categorize mind map. So here use in various places I write subtopic hospital, bank. Okay. At here I draw other subtopic using other devices, washing machine, create a third subtopic, cell phone, robot. Okay. Now here I write hardware. For hardware I write monitor, because this is a hardware parts of computer. So here I write monitor. I add another subtopic from the plus sign tool menu from my phone. Here I add keyboard. Okay. Now I write his from in history menu. I add another subtopic ENIAC. Add other topic abacus. Add other topic supercomputer. Add another topic microprocessor. Okay. Use for various purpose. Here I add word processing, other topic internet, games. Okay. So look at your mind map created here with the use of MindDomo application. So this one is the mind map of second level of categorize. Okay. Now next I show you mind map with some categorize merge. So you save your file and draw another mind map. Here I choose create a new map. I give my map name. Here I apply central topic. on page number 30. Okay, here I add uses, history, hardware, purchase. You saw your mind map created with some categorized merge. Okay, at here I add use, places, purpose, devices. Okay, you can easily watch your mind map with some categorized merge. Then next lecture I show you to create spinal mind map. Okay, thanks, have a nice day. I hope you all are create mind map for in your mobile phone. Okay, thanks, have a nice